Okay, the journey back, here we go. Oh, my knees hurt. Ow. Oh, we're not too far away.
No, we're not.
Oh, when we go by those boats, we got to point these stupid things out. I might have to stop for this bit of narration. Show the world how stupid this thing looks. I'll let my artist friend in California see it. See what she thinks of this. It's gotta be the most ridiculous thing I ever saw. Okay, to your left is a boat sculpture that they put together. They put it in back as kind of a warehouse, and everybody in town thinks it's just the stupidest thing we've ever seen. It's like total inbred art. Okay, let's stop right up here so we can get a good look at this thing. There. Zoom in on it. Now when they did that mural in back of it, it did improve it a bit, but just its location is very dumb. So that's that, and it's really stupid, and everything is stupid. Any real artist would, I don't know, I'll get their opinion. Let's go. We going down? We gotta go up the stairs? Lame! Hey, the river's pretty full. Dismount up here? Should we dismount for the walkers? Oh, okay. Thank you. Where are you going? Okay. All right. And this is the end.
What?
This is the end. Say bye.